Well, hey, we're down at Timeless Arts Refinishing. We got the Zenith 12S, gosh, 471. I try to remember that, but memory span is short.
Okay, come on.
Anyhow, we got all the repairs done on this. We're going to give it the first couple coats of sealer so you can see what she looks like.
The Indian Chief's going to be pretty.
So that's the first coat, and we got some repair spots on there that we're going to have to touch up here. But I'm going to show you what it's looking like right now. You see inside pretty good?
Yeah?
The beautiful different veneers. We got our dark walnut up here. We got a darker walnut up here. I'm not sure what this wood is. It's exotic, something that's beautiful. Then we got a lighter walnut here. This was obviously bleached in the factory. And then we got this hard wood down here that will be toned differently. That side looks really nice, don't it?
Yes, it
For the
does.
first coat.
Yep.
It's all that prepping in it.
Yeah.
And we got this side here. Same thing, she looks good. It's starting to suck it in there. The first coat's starting to absorb into the wood really good. So you can see it up in here too, it's starting to dry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How's that front look?
Looks good.
Can you see that pretty good? See a repair down there.
I'm trying to see it.
That
Oh,
was-
yeah, I see it.
that
Right
was
there.
done with epoxy putty.
Mm-hmm.
There was a big chunk ripped out.
Yep.
So we'll color that in.
Mm-hmm.
And that was probably the worst spot, other than right up here. Right up here,
Oh, yeah.
was kind of tore out up in here.
Mm-hmm.
The veneer actually up top here. Can you see where my finger's at?
Mm-hmm.
From right here, follow my finger. You see my finger anyway?
Yep.
All the way across into about right here. That veneer was all tore off, so I spliced a new piece in here, and then this was kind of, this grooved area in here was kind of tore out a little in there, so I'll be coloring that in here in a minute too. So, yeah.
Okay.
So we'll probably end up putting like 3 coats of sealer on this, and then I'll start with the touch up on it tomorrow.
Okay.
Sealer sanded up good, so thank you.